front product detail page. Default shop date. Copy the order number of selected product. Go to backend and search selected order number in search bar. Click product description. There is no custom tabs free text field displayed. Go to configuration plugin manager. Install. Activate the article additional tab plugin. Search selected order number in search bar and open it. Two additional custom tab fields are added. Add title and description and save. Go to front product detail page and reload page. Additional tab added with description. Now click localization to insert localization data. Select English and insert the custom tab title and description and save. Go to front product detail page, select English language. After loading default shop, switch to English and tabs title and description reflected. Now open articles list. Now deactivate the plugin. In Shop Front Additional tab remove. Uninstall the plugin. Clear the shop cache. Open articles list again. Search selected order number in search bar and open. Additional free text fields remove. No additional tab displayed in front shop. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.